Yes, of course, I hit the Sephora sale again, and today I'm testing a couple of new products from YSL. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. On my channel, I cover makeup and skincare, occasionally fashion, travel, health and wellness. Basically things that make you look and feel your most fabulous at any age. Well, Sephora sale is on this week. Being Rouge, I get 20% off anything in the store and 30% off Sephora brands. So I went back, decided to try the YSL All Hours Foundation as well as YSL Loveshine Plumping Lip Oil Gloss. Today I'm going to do the full wear test and just let you know what I think of these new products. Okay, I primed my face with this Smooth and Blur Sephora Primer, 30% off this week. So now on to All Hours Foundation Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30 YSL. Shade I got in this MC2. I tried the light and the medium, the neutrals and the cools. This one seemed to be the most like my skin tone. There we go. It has a little more of a liquidy feel than some of the others I've used recently. I'm going to just use this Ulta brush to apply and tap it in. Very light feeling. So far, feels good. I think it looks pretty good. Let's see how it's going to hold up. Okay, I also played with the Hourglass face palette and a little bit of Natasha Denona concealer. Now I'm going to try another new product. This is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewy Flush. And this is the Dragonfruit Flush, which is a little bit of a pink. And let's just pull this out without spattering any. And just do a little touch here and here. And then I'm just going to take my fingers and blend this in. Okay. Now I used a Natasha Denona Retro palette on my eyes. I have used a lip liner from Huda Beauty and a lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury. Now I'm going to top it off with this YSL. This is called the Loveshine Plumping Lip Oil Gloss. And this is also in sort of a pink shade. It's called 44. There we do. There we go. A little bit of a plumping sting, but not a lot. And just adds a good amount of shine. So I've got a meeting, a business meeting I'm heading to in a minute, and then a few other things to do. I'll touch back later in the day and let you know my overall opinion of all the new products. Okay, now I'm back home, undressed, ready to just kind of chill for the rest of the day. I had a business meeting. After the meeting, we had lunch and a few other errands. Anyway, now it's been about 8 hours and I'm home. And very pleased with the way this foundation held up. I did not use a setting spray or even a setting powder with this. I did use a primer. But this is the YSL All Hours Foundation Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30. They call it Luminous Matte because generally matte foundations can be a little bit drying. Luminous can sometimes be too shiny. This one seems to be the perfect blend. And it is very lightweight, goes on very easy, holds up really well. And I do think this color is a good fit for me. This is, again, MC2. Okay, so yeah, liking this. It is one of the more expensive foundations, but it is YSL. And the other products I like as well, this new Sephora primer, which was very inexpensive, as well as the YSL Plumping lip product. I did update my lip gloss after lunch, but still really pleased with the way things held up. Well, that's the video for today. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.